Hi, this is needlepointers.com. Today I'd like to show you how to use these crocheted roses to make a cute hair barrette. My daughter would like one on a single barrette like this. You can also put multiple roses on a barrette like this one. These barrettes can be bought at your craft store or through our website. This is a third type of barrette that I have, which you could also use. So this barrette again probably could hold 2 roses. You can make the roses in any color that you want. You can mix them. I think it would be very cute for a girl to have this for Valentine's Day. The rose pattern I used for this to make these roses is free, and it's from Petals to Picots. If you're interested in seeing more photos or to get the pattern or supplies for this project, please click the iCard or the link in the description of this video to visit our website, needlepointers.com. By visiting our website and purchasing supplies through our links, you can help us keep making more videos. So for my daughter, she would like this red rose on this small barrette. So there's multiple ways you can attach the rose to the barrette. One would be to use some thread or yarn and to tie it by looping through the rose itself and looping around the barrette. But I am going to use the glue gun method, and I'm going to put some glue on the end of the barrette here. And a little bit on the rose. Just glue it on there and leave it cool. If you are using one of these other barrettes, you could do similar technique. This one might be a little harder to glue. You'd have to make sure you don't get the glue all into the mechanism here. But you could glue them on, or you could glue on, if you had one of these type, you can glue them on here. So there's the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this project. You can keep up with us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and by following on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, or Google+. Visit our website by clicking the iCard to find the links to follow us. If you are on Pinterest, pin our projects to your wall. This is a great way to keep track of your favorite projects. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, to find lots of other craft projects and tutorials.